Now we'll do a short Anapanasati meditation. It's a meditation taught by Gautam Buddha. It's called Anapanasati. Ana means incoming breath, Pana means outgoing breath, Sati means to become one with your breath. Becoming one with our breath, we achieve a state of no mind. That's the highest stage of intelligence where the divine can guide us. So, as the breath goes in, let your mind go in. As the breath comes out, let the mind come out, let your consciousness come out. It's that simple. That's it. Just be with your breath. As the breath goes in, let your mind consciousness go in. As the breath comes out, let your mind consciousness come out. I'll guide throughout. So please sit comfortably. You can clasp your fingers, your hands like this. Put them in your lap gently. Let your back be straight. Slowly, gently close your eyes. Slowly, gently close your eyes. Relax your body. Relax your body. Relax your body. Now relax your breaths. Let your breaths be very calm. Not manipulating your breaths in any way. Let them go on as they are, naturally, easily. Don't lengthen them, don't shorten them. Very natural, easy breaths. Relax your breaths. Relax your breaths. Relax your breaths. Now relax your mind. Tell your mind within, mind, please relax. Mind, please relax. It's your mind, it'll listen to you. Tell your mind lovingly, gently, mind, please relax. Mind, please relax. Total relaxation. Relax your body. Relax your breaths. Relax your mind. Now we'll start Anapanasati meditation. Bring your total awareness to your breaths. Watch your breaths, natural, easy breaths. Just as the breath goes in, let your mind consciousness go in. As the breath comes out, let your mind consciousness come out. That's it. Breath in, mind in. Breath out, mind out. No other thoughts whatsoever. Let go of everything else for now. Let go of all wishes, all desires. Nowhere to go. Just be with your breaths for the next few moments. Total awareness, attention on your breaths. Very lovingly, gently watch your breaths. Breath in, mind consciousness in. Breath out, mind consciousness out. Wherever the breaths are, let your mind consciousness be there. Like if they're in your nose, let your mind be there. If the breaths are in your throat, let your mind be there. If they're in your chest, let your mind be there. As they go down maybe to your tummy, even below that, let your mind be there. Same way, on the return journey, wherever the breaths are, let your mind be there. Tummy, chest, throat, nose. Totally, completely be with your breaths. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. If you are finding it difficult to go in with the breaths this way, simply watch the entrance of your nose, your nostrils. Where the cool air goes in, and the warm carbon dioxide comes out. Just go on watching the entrance of your nose. If you can, go in with your breaths. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Enjoy each breath. These breaths are a gift of the divine. Take each breath with deep love. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. This is law, this is science, that when we are with our breaths, we achieve a state of no mind. Gautam Buddha called it Shunya Man. Kabir called it Unmani, no mind. And when we achieve a state of no mind, God's, divine's energy enters us. Our third eye opens. We awaken. Then we can see things the way they are, the way they truly are. Go on watching your breaths. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. In case your mind has wandered off anywhere, lovingly, gently bring it back to your breaths. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Don't miss a single breath. Complete, total oneness with your breaths. Like the mind and the breaths have become one. Breath in, go in. Breath out, come out. Slowly become aware of yourself in the room you are sitting in. Become aware of the sounds around you. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another soft, gentle breath in and breathe out. Another very soft, gentle breath in and breathe out completely. Slowly, gently, please put both your palms on your eyes. Gently press your eyes. Gently press your eyes. Allow, receive, welcome these energies within. And when you feel complete, slowly, gently, you may open your eyes. Slowly, gently, you may open your eyes. So this was a short Anapanasati meditation, a very, very, very powerful meditation. You can do this any time of the day, whenever you feel like, for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds. Just close your eyes, watch your breath going in, watch your breath coming out. Watch your breath going in, watch your breath coming out. You will get a freshness, a coolness within, a newness within in that short span of time. Right? Give it a shot. All the best. Thank you. Thank you.